for Bluebell to have her turn. Yeah. You're going to like this girl. Oh, you can go looking for the babies.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, she's going to kiss you. I think she was trying to kiss you.
Hi.
Oh.
Can you hold still? One of our best moms. There we go. She's so sweet. I love her hair.
Isn't she gorgeous?
Yes, she is. Usually we cut it before they were puppies, but we couldn't cut hers, so.
Yeah, Zamora just said, we'll just wash her. We're going to deal with it because her hair's too pretty. We can't let it go. Good girl, Bluebell.
Oh, did you shake Cece potty yet or not? No, she probably needs to go. I think she might be a little less grumpy if she can go too, yeah.
But she needs a harness on first. It's right over here on the floor. There you go.
Hey.
Bluebell. Bluebell. Hi, darling. Oh, no, I was just trying to catch a picture of you. Oh, I thought you wanted to say hi.
Oh, you're calling me. Okay.
She's just got the friendliest, sweetest.
Yeah, she's very sweet.
Oh, man. And she's so funny because she goes running to Zamora anytime she's not with the babies.
Yeah.
She'll wake her up in the middle of the night. It's like she's saying, come see my babies. They're so pretty. Come on, you got to see them. She's such a proud mama. Cece probably is too, but she just isn't as in Zamora's face about it. Or is she just in a different way?
She is.
In a different way?
She wakes me up by coming and sitting on my face.
Oh. And then wants you to look at her babies, huh?
Stay here, Teddy. Watch out. He's behind you. Teddy, come in. Stay here.
I'm going to pause this until we get to the...
Good girl. Come here. Okay, I need you to hold still, baby. Hey, can you hold still? Here we go. Okay.
So Bluebell is getting her adjustment now. Or we're trying to. She's been a little bit of a wiggle worm.
Hey, little miss.
You're funny.
Good girl. There we go.
She can see her face. Oh, well. There now.
She's like, what is this? Good girl.
Ooh, wiggle worm. My goodness.
Good girl. Good girl.
What was that? Did she just burp?
Burp, yeah.
I heard it. I wonder if we can hear it on the video. Bluebell, you're funny.
Good girl.
And Cece's sitting over there. The babies are in the basket. It's a whole family affair.
Hold on.
For being the easiest mama, like the most chill one, she's being like the most wiggly, isn't she? Says, what are you doing to me? I don't get this.
Hold still, baby. She's a little tight back here, which is very common with Shih Tzus because they're so long.
Mm-hmm. I saw that move.
Hold still. Hold on, Mama. Hold on. Oh my goodness.
Are you not happy that she's feeding one of your babies?
Good girl. Yeah, she really needed it too. She really needed it in her pelvis and her lumbar. I think that might be why she was a little bit wiggly.
Yeah, we wouldn't have guessed it because she had small ones and just seemed like her births were easy. But
well,
can
and
never
if she's
tell.
never been adjusted, they can going into it. They can
have already had
issues.
something out. Yeah.
So